Time. Time is the most precious gift you have. It cannot be turned back. So, make every minute count. Wealth can be lost and regained, but time never returns. Every moment that passes is a lost or gained opportunity. When you value time, you see the possibilities it offers. Time will not wait for anyone, so make every moment worthwhile. Every second is an opportunity to learn, grow, and improve. Wealth may be visible, but time is what shapes your life. Use your time to do what will bring you happiness. Wealth can give you luxury, but time gives your life. Time is priceless because it allowed you to create memories. Don't waste your time on things that aren't important to you. Nothing can buy back the time you have lost, so invest it wisely. Time is invaluable because it allows you to grow. Go and make use of every moment of time. Go forward and use time to grow. Go and work for your dreams. The time is now. Go and make every minute valuable. Go and don't stop. Time is in your hand. Go and make time work for you. Go and give your best every day that passes. Go and make every day a step forward. Go and use time, create new opportunities. Go and make every day important for your future. Go and see every day new opportunities to learn. Go and make every moment a step towards success. Wealth may help you live well, but time spent with lovely ones is the highest price. Time spent on things that don't matter is loss of true wealth. Use every day to do things that will help you grow and become better. Nothing can buy back time once it's gone, so use it wisely. Time is a resource that can never be regained, so make every second count. Wealth can help you to live comfortably, but time allows you to live fully. Time spent with loved ones is far more valuable than material wealth. Thank you for watching my video. Like video, subscribe my channel for more video motivation like this.